I do see all the IEPs is a sidestep, mic check, ID brief on what I believe is what I do see.
What is going on, guys? Welcome to our channel. So today we are in Hollywood, Florida, and behind us we got the guaranteed best choice dealer. This is where Ruslan picked up his 2017 Audi A4 B9. So quickly tell us your experience of buying the car and how you're doing with that car right now.
Yeah, so I came across the guaranteed best choice on eBay back in January, and they had a really great deal on a flooded 2017 Audi A4 B9. Only had 19,000 miles and had a sticker price of, I believe it was $18,500. Nice. And I thought it was a great deal. I hit up Vitaly, who was living in Denver at that time, and we went ahead and we purchased the car for $17,000, got it shipped to Denver, and all the mods that we've done are on our channel that you guys have been closely following along. And I know that a lot of you guys are very interested in getting one for yourself. And I want to tell you guys that this is a great dealership that has really great prices for any German cars, specifically the A4s. They have right now on their lot, I believe, 3 or 4 different A4s that I know are a great project car to start. We'll leave a link in the description below for you guys to, if you're interested, purchase one from them. So if you guys are on the market for a sweet, reliable, and cheap car, I recommend that you guys go ahead and mention that you are referred from Burning Rubber, and they will give you a really sweet deal.
Don't need nothing else. Every time I'm with you, yo, it's something else. It's a fact, and it's nothing else. Got your hand out, you don't even need the help. Oh, I don't need nothing else. Every time I'm with you, yo, it's something else. It's a fact, and it's nothing else. Got your hand.
Alright guys, so this is a 2014 Mercedes S63 AMG. We got to test drive it, did a little review. Great car. MSRP value on this is $155,000. They're asking $49,800. Great deal. It is a salvage. However, great clean car, very nice, low miles. Overall, very nice car.
Oh, that's rain. I don't need nothing else. That's rain. I don't need nothing else. Oh, that's rain. I don't need nothing else. That's rain. I don't need nothing else.
Hi, so I'm Lana.
I'm Maya.
And we are with Guaranteed Best Choice. We are a company that specializes in rebuilt cars. We warranty our cars. We have mechanics that specialize in rebuilding cars for many years in the past. And we do the best we can to make each and every one of our clients happy with their purchase. And believe me, you'll be happy because you will save a ton of money buying a rebuilt car.
So as of now, the Guaranteed Best Choice has about 30-ish cars in their inventory. And as I said earlier, most of these cars are German. So you got BMWs, Mercedes, Volkswagens, and Audis. I would say their specialty is the A4. So here you can see the inventory. You got BMWs. Very similar to the one that I purchased back in January. You have an Audi A4. This one is a little bit higher class than what mine is. I think it's a Premium Plus or maybe even a Prestige. It has the parking sensors and in-dash navigation. However, this one does have a little bit more miles than what I ended up getting with mine. So really, this A4 right here, I think would be a really, really great project car if you guys were interested in any of the mods that I did on mine. I mean, it's just begging for all of the different things that you could do on it to make it look very, not necessarily exotic, but very eye-catching on the road. So this car is very similar to what mine is, except it's a little bit higher class, as I said. You have a tan interior, which personally I don't like very much, but some people have a preference for that, along with this kind of wood grain structure trim. So this is a Quattro, which is awesome. It has parking sensors that I don't have on mine, along with the navigation. So you can know it's navigation because the MMI display is a little bit larger, and you have not necessarily virtual cockpit on the speedometer, but your screen is bigger in the middle. And I don't know if I could start it. So you could see that it looks similar to the A4 that I bought back in January. However, it has slightly more miles. We're at 57,000, and the display in the middle is larger. But overall, this car would have about the same price of what I paid for when I got it. Now, if you guys are in for a more ambitious project, we have an A6 right behind us. It's the supercharged, beautiful car. I believe it's 2017, and they're selling it for $23,500. Now, this would be a little bit more expensive, but definitely well worth it with this sort of service that you'll be getting, and just the comfort of knowing that whatever you're purchasing, has you covered both with mechanical warranty and any sort of issues that you come along. Also have BMWs, Alfa Romeo. Alright guys, well that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and leave comments. So as you can see, Guaranteed Best Choice is a pretty reputable dealership here in Hollywood, Florida. You guys know that I got my A4 off there, which I'm very highly satisfied, and they have some pretty sweet deals. So I would highly encourage you guys to check out what their inventory has, and again, use the promo code Burning Rubber to see what kind of sweet deal you guys could get.